Basecamp app. The pros, the cons. The Basecamp app is more than just a task manager. Most people get this wrong. It's a full-fledged project management and team collaboration tool designed to help teams organize work, communicate, and meet deadlines without getting lost in endless emails. On the pros side, Basecamp is known for its simplicity and ease of use. It combines to-do lists, message boards, schedules, file storage, and team chat in one platform. This centralized approach keeps projects and communication in a single place. Notifications and automatic check-ins reduce the need for constant status meetings, and the app works across desktop and mobile, making it easy to stay on top of tasks from anywhere. Basecamp also offers a flat rate pricing structure, which can be cost-effective for larger teams. On the con side, some users find Basecamp's simplicity limiting when managing complex projects. It lacks advanced reporting, automation, and Gantt chart functionality found in other project management tools. For teams used to highly detailed workflows, Basecamp may feel too lightweight. Additionally, the flat rate pricing can be expensive for very small teams or individuals. In conclusion, Basecamp is ideal for teams that value simplicity, clear communication, and centralized project management. While it may not have every advanced feature, its intuitive design, mobile accessibility, and focus on collaboration make it a reliable solution for keeping projects organized and teams on track.